he wants to see in the world.
The global Filipino is brave. He is not afraid to immerse himself in unfamiliar situations just so that he is able to make a difference in this world. He is not scared to speak out. He is not afraid to be the change he wants to see. Efren Peña Florida is a global Filipino. He pushes around his Cariton school and teaches street children how to read, write, and solve problems. He makes use of whatever he has, big or small, to be of help to others.
The global Filipino is aware. The global Filipino knows today's social problems.
The global Filipino is aware of the present dilemmas being faced by the Philippine society. He or she knows the significant world happenings and the arising issues in our country. The global Filipino acknowledges the capabilities of media but ensures that what the media brings are pure facts. The global Filipino maximizes the internet access present nowadays by informing oneself of the world and national news through this. As a result of this awareness, a global Filipino can figure out ways to be of help to his fellow Filipinos by doing something beneficial to them. One example of a socially aware Filipino would be Eliac Diaz, a social entrepreneur who made a mark in merging social concern, business intelligence, and constant innovation. He is a keen observer of the marginalized groups of society. He uses this strength to transform small ideas for socially responsive businesses into suitable large-scale models for meeting the needs of people who want instant solutions to their problems. He applies business skills not for personal gain but for the practice of business with a wide social impact. His most outstanding effort in community-oriented entrepreneurship is the landmark Pier 1 Seafarers Dormitory, which provides clean, safe, and affordable transient housing and services for the thousands of maritime overseas Filipino workers and their families within the Manila area. Eliac's successes have proven that focusing on human capital as being at least as important as equity capital in private interventions to social inequity is an idea whose time has come. He insists that true charity does not mean giving out cash and that to engage in socially responsible endeavors automatically means financial struggle. Business and development can and must be working partners, and Eliac Diaz is taking that path with resounding success.
The global Filipino is intelligent. We Filipinos are considered to be the greatest English speakers in
The global Filipino is highly intellectual. Here in our country, education is significantly important. A great majority are graduates of 4 or 5-year degree courses. These graduates work for international companies that require high standards, which Filipinos can achieve. An example of this is Daniel Dingle, the Filipino inventor who created the first ever water-powered car. Aside from Dingle, Patricia Evangelista can be considered a global Filipino. She is a debater who represented the Philippines in the International Public Speaking Competition in London and eventually won the Best Speaker Award. Her work is entitled Blonde and Blue Eyes.
The global Filipino is industrious. Filipino farmers get up even before the sunrise. They till their land, plant their seeds, water the crops, protect them from pests, and harvest them. Filipino miners dig through mountains to look for gold, silver, copper, and other ores and minerals. Industrial workers produce garments, textiles, shoes, furniture, and more. Filipinos do their job diligently and religiously. Filipinos are industrious. This fact is established not only by Filipinos working in our homeland, but by the millions of overseas Filipino workers who work abroad in order to sustain and provide a better living for their families.
The global Filipino initiates change. Filipinos start non-government organizations.
A global Filipino seeks to propose, initiate, and implement progress and positive change in the Philippines. One of the easiest steps to making a change is to volunteer. There are different organizations with varying advocacies. There are those who aim at the eradication of poverty and hunger, such as the Global Call to Action Against Poverty, Heroes Against Hunger, and the United Nations World Food Program where one of our very own, Casey Concepcion, was made ambassador. There are also organizations that promote the preservation and protection of the environment, such as the Greenpeace and the Haribon Foundation. Then, there are also those whose advocacy is to make education available for the less fortunate. Some examples are Books for the Barrios, the Kapatid Foundation, and Rock Ed, which uses music to reach out through giving concerts in order to raise funds, among others.
The Global Filipino is proud that Filipinos have attained huge distinction across the world.
Nationalism is a great word to describe the Filipinos. No matter what, they always stay proud of their motherland, even when there is so much negative things going on. Faith, like what we mentioned, is etched on their minds that they will get through whatever. Despite the fact that some OFWs are caregivers, nannies, gardeners, laborers, or entertainers, they still manage to be proud of the Philippines. Filipinos today still claim that if they had the choice and opportunity, they would always love to be back in their native land. Without a doubt, these Filipinos contribute immensely to the development of the country.
Who is the global Filipino?
The Global Filipino is brave, initiate, sane, industrious,
Intelligent.
proud.
Aware. The global Filipino is in you!